Bulldog Lake. MJ and I got up and did a load of laundry. Got the bear bag down. Having peaches and cream oatmeal and coffee. We still have a north wind, so it's a little chilly. We got a new fellow camper on a canoe. He's down at the lumberman's camp. Came in while MJ and I were hiking yesterday. The little single engine plane has already flown over twice this morning. I think we're gonna jump on the stand-up paddle boards and head over to White Deer Lake and try our hand at fishing. MJ's main goal is to catch and eat a fish. So we need to catch us a big smallmouth bass. The biggest ones we've caught so far are only 7 or 8 inches. The kayakers were paddling through last night, right about sunset, and said they spent the day at White Deer Lake and that the bass were bigger over there. They said they caught a 16-inch one here on Bulldog Lake though. We're gonna go give it a try. So we've paddled back from Bulldog Lake to White Deer Lake to do some fishing, and out by the island, you can see that our swan friends also make this their home. They're out there, they're the white specks. But we're gonna play around. We're gonna go up to the fortress overlook for lunch and do some fishing and head back into Bulldog Lake for dinner. Tomorrow maybe we'll try Lake Margaret. We'll do a little 0.3 mile portage over to that lake and bring our lunch and fishing gear and all that stuff. It's always windy here. The wind never stops. It was out of the south for a while, and then it was out of the east, and it was out of the west, and the last 2 days it's been out of the north. It's kind of blowing all over the place. And it's not 5 mile an hour wind. It's like 15 everywhere you go. It's just blowing. It would be nice to have a calm, sunny day. But I'm not complaining too much. We're enjoying ourselves. We're just chilling, fishing. Same as you were doing last time, Michael Jack.
Oh, you got a big old lure. Is that what you caught that on?
That's what he caught that on. It's almost the same color as the one I had.
Holy Christ,
It's big. Well, you get big fish with big lures.
Right? That one floats a little bit though, don't it?
He needs to let her sink a little bit because he's excited now.
Yeah, gotta let it sink.
So we are on an island on White Deer Lake. That is the cabin island. We're on a tiny little island though. I mean, this thing is 60 foot by 15 foot. It's a tiny little thing. That's where we spent our first night, was the cabin island. You can see the dock coming out the back side of it. And we decided to set shore here because the wind was kind of picking up, and MJ said, let's go to the island and fish. They were doing worms and bobbers, and I said, well, I'll let you guys have the worms. I'm going to throw a spinnerbait on there, a spoon. And so I threw it on there, and I had a couple of nibbles out at those that reed bed out there. So we came over to the island and just slaughtered them. MJ caught like a 16-inch freaking bass, a huge bass. Yeah, that's phenomenal. Right across from Fortress. Caught a couple other little bass. Caught a whole slew of bass here. Smallmouth.
I caught the big one.
You caught the giant. So it looks like we're gonna sit down and have our lunch. Mom got skunked.
I didn't get skunked.
For the first time ever. Usually Mom catches the first one.
I'm the one that gets
No,
all
I
the
catch
fish.
I catch the big ones. I don't
Usually
catch them.
Mom gets
I
the
catch.
biggest or the only fish.
Yep.
No, I
That's
get
how
the
it was
big
in the
fish,
Porcupine Mountains,
And I get the only like
Isle
female.
Royal.
Isle Royal. Anyway, it's lunchtime, isn't it, boy? After a successful day fishing at Bulldog Lake, we're headed back to, or White Deer Lake, we're headed back to Bulldog Lake. There's two loons across the lake.
Fish I caught. 17-inch fish.
Yep.
Good.
Oh.